Hey, good afternoon. As promised, I said I was going to talk a little bit more about the solar eclipse tomorrow that's happening at the 19th degree of Leo. So, Leo eclipses have all to do with understanding your personal will vis-a-vis societal needs. And with Athena being connected to it, has to do with these mental creative ideas that just seem to stream out of nowhere, being telepathically receptive. Now, Mercury's still in retrograde until the following Saturday on the 18th, so it's important that you let these ideas mull over, and then as Mercury starts to move late on the 18th, that Saturday, you can start to see those so-called synchronicities come into play, and then figure out how to move forward on these ideas that have been streaming forward for the past 3 weeks. Venus is in Libra, and so we love that because that's about balancing the I and the thou. It's an other directed Venus because we're in an evening star phase, and we really want to be looking at the sky early evening on Monday and Tuesday evening when Venus and the moon are joined in Virgo and then Libra. It's important to understand that this new moon solar eclipse can take us back to 2000, to 1981. We can go back 18 to 19 years and see if there are repeated themes in your life as well. And if you want a new moon reading, you can just shoot me a message via Facebook or Messenger, and we can go through there and see how this eclipse will affect you personally, as well as just the general rules of thumb regarding participation, heartfelt communication. Leo is also aspecting the Pluto and Capricorn. So humility about our use of power, our character and integrity will also be on board and being tested, as it were. And with Jupiter still moving through Scorpio until November, and so there is this aspect of our understanding how to trust relationships after there have been betrayals or challenges with unequal power dynamics as well. Realize that Mars and Uranus are still an aspect to each other, so that could be the fire up of anger and frustration, or as it is called, the immovable object meets the irresistible force. So those of us who have a different way of reforming our reality is how we participate in groups. If there's a front lash, as Gloria Steinem says, there's going to be a backlash. But this is Quan out, and go to Belief Is Not Required or shoot me a text and we can go from there. Thanks for your time and have a really good weekend.